Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna talk about why try a part-time job might be your next best move, or the meaning of the question is why you not try a part-time job for many reasons. So I'm gonna separate a couple topics point of view why you should try a part-time job. You should if you can. If you cannot, it's okay. And for who have already a full-time job or have a job already, you can skip this video, or you want to listen some ideas why, or want to know how other people thinking. Okay, let's start with the first one, experience. Part-time job can be for a person who have experience from somewhere else or who have no experience. Example, you or someone study in high school and they're looking for some extra money to have some income. There are other income. There was two ways for income. First one, give me 1 second. Passive income and active income. The difference between passive income and active income is passive is for you invest the money for something and just wait for the result. Active is for your working by yourself, by your hand. When you do something, you know the result immediately. But passive, you wait for someone do it for you and you got the result. For the person who have no experience or any non-experience working anywhere else, you should try a part-time job. It can help you build a skill and know the way how to communication and how understand how the real job in real life is. And for someone who already have a job and they still worry and thinking about finance, try some part-time job might be change their mind to see a different view. Like example, you work in a company in the daytime, in the nighttime you can driving like a food delivery or working in some restaurant or working in the warehouse or somewhere like that. You can meet new people and more new connection, more new skill and more vision. The different vision over here is you can see how people working and you can understand how people communication, because each role, each position, they have a different way to talking. And the second point I put over here, seeking a job, or the other meaning is finding a job. Many people, they're looking for a job after they graduate or finish the school. My best suggestion, you don't have to wait until the end, until you finish school and find a job. You can find a job anytime when your age, AGE, when your age is allowed to working. When your age is reached to 18 or 21 to allow to work anywhere, you can try, but make sure it's legal, okay? Why I say that? Because in the school, they never teach student or teach you how looking for a job. The professor or teacher, they just teach you how to study their subject or their a book or profession, or make, I don't know about that, just some in textbook. Some of you might feel like the thing I say might be true or might be liar. To be honest, this is just my opinion. I didn't bring anyone else to bring here. It's just my experience. I studied undergrad for 4 years. I spent time to start working part-time job in my second year until I graduate. And after I graduate, it's very hard to find a job. So the job I'm doing is still part-time because I had to make schedule for myself to find a different job to get a full-time job and wait for the interview or something. Full-time job is harder than part-time job because it's more complicated with the application and stick rule with the law enforcement or the rule or something like that. So part-time is a basic learning for me, and it might be basic learning for everyone else to start a new job. And the last one I want to talking about challenge new role. Part-time job, like I said at the beginning, you don't need to have the experience to do a part-time job. You can do whatever you want in the part-time job, but it depends on requirement, what they need from you to do their job in the company. If your profile, PROFILE, if your profile is matched, you get a job. If not matched, you cannot get a job. It depends on how your knowledge. It isn't looking on your skill. They're looking how you understand about the part-time job. Skill you can learn from that place or that area. So you don't have to worry about active income or passive income. For part-time job, it can be both. And part-time job is a new thing. Sometimes you don't know anyone else, but you can learn from that area. You can meet a new friend, new co-worker. You maybe know how their life balance. You might hear about the word life balance all the time. What's the life balance in the different people meaning is working, sleeping, eating, and finance. All of this standing for stable. This call for life balance. If you're unsure what you're gonna do and you don't know where to go and you don't know what job you want to do for now or tomorrow, or someone they don't have a job or worry about a job they're doing right now, they're gonna worry too much or anxiety and panic. I recommend try a part-time job first, because you have to know where you want to go. You want to have some safe zone to give you a space. So part-time job may be the one place you can go home and go to work. You can go to hang out and go back to work. You're gonna spend time at a part-time job to at least you have some income. Income means money, okay? Money or finance. So you should have some funding or money to spending for each day for yourself or for your family. So that's maybe the best suggestion for me. So, well, that's gonna lead to the topic. Why should try a part-time job? Maybe your best next move. Overall, the reason I do this topic is just share the idea how it may be help for someone who have the problem with moving to work far from home, or stay far, or living far from family, or they don't know what kind of job they're gonna do, and if you or someone have waiting for a new job and they didn't get a response back yet, so try to find a part-time job in your area or close to your house. It can help you relax, and maybe relax but but at least you have some income and have at least one person to be your friend to talking with and to share your idea, or giving you the idea what you have to move to next level or next step. I hope this video is helpful. If you like or want to share some your idea, you can put on the comment and give me a subscribe, or what you want to learn or want to know about next video, just let me know. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.